Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about Fitbod. Alright, let's begin. Fitbod is a strength training app designed to generate personalized workout plans based on your goals, fitness level, and available equipment. The app's standout feature is its adaptive algorithm, which tracks your progress and adjusts future workouts to optimize results. Whether you're a beginner or experienced lifter, Fitbod tailors routines to fit your current abilities and gym setup, making it suitable for a broad range of users. One key feature is its exercise variety. It offers a diverse selection of exercises for muscle groups, helping to keep your routines engaging while preventing plateaus. The app tracks sets, reps, and weights while offering clear video demonstrations to ensure correct form. Plus, you can integrate it with Apple Health and other fitness trackers to sync your data seamlessly. Who is Fitbod for? It's perfect for anyone who prefers a data-driven, no-nonsense approach to strength training. Whether you're a gym goer or working out at home with limited equipment, the app adjusts to your environment. It's also ideal if you're looking for progress-based programming without needing to hire a personal trainer. Fitbod's in-depth analytics help you understand your workout history and push you to improve efficiently. However, if you're into bodyweight training or high-intensity interval training, the app may not offer as much variety in those categories. In terms of user experience, the interface is intuitive and the tracking is simple to follow. However, some users have reported that it can sometimes feel too rigid if you want more flexibility in swapping exercises during a workout. The subscription cost is reasonable given the value it provides, but it's something to consider if you prefer free alternatives. Overall, Fitbod is a strong contender for anyone serious about strength training and looking to progress efficiently over time. Make sure you understand your goals and workout style before committing, as this app is heavily focused on strength training rather than cardio or mixed modalities. So that's all about Fitbod. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.